Hi guys, so I'm going to take you through our exploratory data analysis using Python. I'm going to be using VS Code. So we're going to be analyzing our data set. It's an image data set. It's comprised of banana leaf images that are classified in the healthy images, and then there are those that are infected with bacterial wilt, and then there are those that are infected with Segatoka wilt, but we are going to be focusing more on the bacterial wilt for now. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to install the necessary libraries. We are going to install NumPy for the numerical calculations. Then we install Matplotlib, which is used for visualizing the data in histograms and graphs and all. Then this is also the same thing that Seaborn does. Then we are also going to install pandas, and we are also going to install OpenCV Python. So we can see that here we've downloaded NumPy, and yeah, it was successful. So the next thing we shall do is we shall load our images. So we are going to import the necessary libraries. So we want to import Matplotlib as PLT for visualizing the data, because we want to see what these images look like. Then we are also going to import images from Pillow. It's going to enable us to see that, to actually see the images. So here we put in a dataset path. The dataset path yes. Yes, so this is the location of our data set. So since the images are divided into folders, we have those that are healthy and those that are infected. So we are going to put the path to those that are healthy so that we can see what those images look like. So here I'm just going to put healthy. This is the path to the file with the images. So when we run, we shall see these are the healthy images that we have. We chose 6 images here. So these are just random images. So these are the healthy images. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to check for image properties. So we are going to check the first 50 images. Here, that's why we put 50. So we are going to import pandas also for better analysis of the images. And when we run the code, this is what we have. This is the graph we have. So basically, this graph just means that all the images, all the sample images that we've visualized up the other side, they all have the same size. They have the same length, same dimensions, actually. But for the CNN model, this will actually be good, because CNN models mostly depend on dimensions. So this shows us that all our images have the same dimensions. And we are also going to look at the image modes, that's the RBG intensity. So the next thing we'll look at is the image statistics. So the image statistics, we are just going to look at the mean color distribution in each of these images. So we are going to use these main colors. We are going to use red for the red channel, green for the green channel, and blue for the blue channel. So these channels will be showing us the intensity of the infection in the leaf. So when we run the code, we get our graph here that shows the main color distribution. So we see that the green channel, this green channel here, it's actually dominating. So this means that our data set mostly consists of the healthy leaves. And it's true because we actually sampled the healthy folder. Then the red region shows that there are lower intensities. So this means that there could be some yellowish or reddish brown color streaks in the leaves. So this could potentially mean that the leaf has an infection. Then we have the blue regions. The blue regions, it's mostly because of lighting variations and shadow effects that we get these blue regions. So what we'll do for that, we'll be using color-based segmentation to identify the diseased leaves and the healthy leaves, so that these color variations are not there. Then we'll be checking for duplicate images. This is the code for duplicate images. So we are going to put in the image path, the dataset path. And then when we run the code, we see that the number of duplicate images is 1. So we have 1 duplicate image. So meaning we have to remove the other image so that the model doesn't like misclassify it. So this is a total summary of the data. We are going to print the total number of images in the data set. Remember, we used the folder that has the healthy leaves. Then we are going to also print the image sizes, the image modes, and the image formats. What format are the images in? So when we execute, we see that we have 155 images of healthy banana leaves, and we have 1 unique image size. The image size is 1 actually for all the images, because remember we said they have the same dimensions as we saw in the code above here. This graph shows us that all the leaves in the data set have the same dimensions. So the image formats, it's JPEG. So all the images have this JPEG extension.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.